Namaste students, I am JP Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan, Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic crystallization that belong to subject downstream processing. Crystallization Crystallization is a final step that is included in the product polishing. And crystallization is a process of formation of some solid crystals. Okay, that's the word we use, crystallization. The technique is used for the formation of crystals which are participating in from a solution, melt or rarely deposited directly from gas. Crystallization is also a chemical solid separation technique in which mass transfer of solute from a liquid solution to a pure solid takes place. Crystallization is important as an industrial process because of the number of materials that are and can be marketed in the form of crystals. Mainly, the crystallization is carried out from a vapor and from a melt or from a solution. And crystallization is mostly used in pharmaceutical industry, chemistry, agrochemical industry, food and cosmetics. And crystallization is in general the last chemical production process. Crystallization is also a chemical solid-liquid separation technique in which mass transfer of a solute from a liquid solution to a pure solid crystalline phase occurs. Its extensive use is based on the fact that the single operation is both a separation and a purification step. So, in conclusion, you can say that the crystallization is a simple process which is used for the making the mm, crystals, and it is used for the preparation of some final product. Because sometimes we take the examples of agar here, peptone here, because if we make the crystals using the crystallization technique, the peptone or agar will be used in more. The expiry of the product is increased. Expiry date of the product is increased using the crystallization process. So it is a very important technique. A crystal may be defined as the solid composed of atoms arranged in orderly repeated array, and crystals are grown in many shapes which are dependent upon downstream processing. So crystallization consists of three major events. The first is nucleation, crystal growth, and supersaturation of the solution that we will going to discuss in our next video.